Okay, friends, here we are on YouTube getting ready to talk about virtual circle time, something I don't think any of us ever thought we would be discussing. So I'm going to actually be using my phone so that you can see everything I'm doing. I'm a visual learner, so it helps me to see instead of just having a really lengthy email with a ton of how-to steps. So the first thing that you're going to do is make sure that you have the YouTube app on your phone. If you don't have the app, then you need to go to the App Store or wherever you go to get apps to download the YouTube app. So once you're in the YouTube app, you need to sign into it, which is this upper circle button, and it's going to ask you to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my personal information. This is any Gmail or Google account that you have. You used to have one through the school. You're welcome to use that one if you don't have an alternate Gmail account. It can be your private Gmail account, whatever you would prefer. So once you have done that, you're going to get back to your phone and you're going to see up in this corner a camera, and that's how you're going to be videoing, just like I'm doing this video right now. Okay, so let me just tap it and see. Okay, so when you get that, you're going to get the option to record, which is what I'm doing right now. In order for you to see what happens after you record, I'm going to go ahead and just like kind of duplicate record. So I'm recording for you and on my phone so that that can happen. In order to do that, I'm just going to set this here. I don't know if that influences what you can see or not. And then I'm going to show you how I would do my circle time. So this is my kid's favorite book. We happen to have it here at Grant's house. If you haven't read it, it's fantastic. It's called Baby Rattlesnake, and it's a really good kind of moral story about a little baby rattlesnake. Okay, so I'm going to stop my video over here. Okay, so you can see basically here is my recording. It's going to just play all the way through. And when you're done at the top, you're going to hit next. So when you're here at next, this is the part that you really want to pay attention to. Let me just make sure that you can see, I think. Okay, here we go. So under here, this is your ID. So whatever email account you use to update your video. This is your actual video, whatever you've just recorded. If you want to do it multiple times, that's fine. Here you want to make sure that your privacy says unlisted. So unlisted just means that this is not public on the web somewhere. You're going to be able to just get this video and then forward it to me so that I can post it on our new virtual circle time page. So now that this is done, you have to hit in this upper corner, upload, and this is going to put your video live out there on YouTube. So you can see while it's working, it's kind of grayed out here. That just means that it's uploading the video. It's going to take a little bit of time for that to process, longer depending on the length of your video. So I just did a couple quick minutes and mine's already done. So when it's done, let's see where it went. So what you should be able to do now is go back into the home screen when you initially logged into YouTube. And there's going to be a portion of your account that just says uploads. It's still working on uploading, so I can't show you that. But when you upload that, then you're going to tap on it and hit share. And you're going to share it to me. You're going to share it to my phone number, or you're going to share it to my email. Either one is fine. Phone number for texting is probably easier, but if it's a big video that's going to take your phone a while, or your iPad, if you have it, is going to be a little faster. If you only have a laptop available to you, it's going to be more challenging for you to YouTube. So I would highly suggest that you use your cell phone, whether you're an Android user or an iPhone user, and that way you're going to be able to share. I would recommend after this video and after you've done this that you create a video that just says, "Hi Bonnie, this is Miss Ginger, this is my sample story time," and then you upload and you share that with me. That way you understand the process and I know that I can receive things from you and that our lines of communication are really effective. So one thing that I've not been super focused on in this video is there's a little camera on your device, wherever it is. Mine's right here, see it's kind of bleeping at me. that's actually where you're looking when you're talking. So if I'm looking over here because I'm seeing myself and I'm distracted, it's going to be not as good of a video. So you're going to want to do your best to get lighting figured out. Like I just happen to have this terrible backlighting. I assume you can hear my son playing piano downstairs, so you're going to want to do your best to find a quiet place so that you don't have those distractions for your preschool circle time. It's going to be distracting to your little friends. I also think it's a great idea if you just say everybody's name as in your class. I know that that's going to take a lot of time, but children really want to be recognized, and this is a super hard time for everyone, and we don't know everyone's family dynamics or what they're experiencing at home, so just some personal recognition. Anyway, those are my tips and tricks on visual or virtual circle time. So let's see how it works, and let's see if we can get this up and running. Thanks.